Okay guys, so this is gonna be like the only actual time you'll actually hear my voice. So basically what you wanna do is you wanna go to the description of this video and there will be a link. And then you'll go to audio. After you download the link, you go to audio, songs. You have all of these sounds, effects right here. You have all of these. Stuff like this, Shooter's Man, stuff like that. By SM64. Not the Hangouts and Hangouts message. Hello, here we go. Hi, Steve, a dinosaur, stuff like that. So yeah, once you do that, you just want to click on it and add it. The only bad part about these, you have to scroll down, stuff like that. And yeah.